Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to hide your number on an iPhone. If you want to hide your phone number, you can call your phone carrier and get them to block it permanently and so forth. But if you want to hide it quickly and even temporarily, then this is the video for you. Let's get right into the video. I'm actually going to turn my camera around. I'm just going to show you this side right here, and I'm going to show you my phone. Now, I'm going to tell you exactly what you're going to do to hide your number. Now, bear with me because I don't want to reveal any information on my phone. So I'm going to be pulling it on and off the screen. I'll show you what to do, but I'm going to be pulling it on and off to sort of hide certain things that I don't want you to see. So essentially, you're going to be going to your home screen on your iPhone, and then what you want to do is you want to go to the settings, okay? So you're going to go to the settings. So you're going to click on settings. I'm going to pull it off the screen right there. Make sure that nothing is revealed that I don't want to be revealed. And then on the settings screen, you're going to scroll down. Now, I've already scrolled down to not reveal anything at the top. And then you're going to see an option that says phone, okay? So you're going to scroll down once again. You're going to see an option that says phone. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to click phone, okay? And then on the phone screen, I'll show you in just one moment. I'm going to scroll down. It's going to show your phone number, which I'm actually going to block out. So I've scrolled down. So it's going to show your phone number on the top, so you know which phone number you will be blocking, okay? And then what you're going to do is you are going to go to the option that actually says show my caller ID, okay? So you're going to click that. And then as you can see, it says show my caller ID. And mine is on right now because, you know, if I call someone, I want them to know that it's me. Even though I don't want you guys all to know what my phone number is on, because this video could get 1 million views. Who knows? 10 million. Who knows? Hopefully it does. I don't mind people seeing it, but if I didn't want it to be seen, like even for a single call, I could click that and it would toggle it off, okay? So you could literally hide your caller ID on a one-time basis, or even, all the time, just by toggling this off for as long as you want. And it's that simple. That is essentially how to hide your number on an iPhone. It's an easy tutorial. It's easy to do, and I wanted to share it with you in this video. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.